Welcome to Dasha and Timing Events. Lesson 4, Session 4, Pratyantardasha, Precise Timing. The third level of the Dasha system that pinpoints events down to weeks. The third level of Zoom. By now you understand the hierarchy. Mahadasha covers years, Antardasha covers months, but Vaidhik astrology doesn't stop there. The Pratyantardasha, PD, sometimes called the sub-period, divides each Antardasha into 9 further slices. If the Mahadasha is a year in school, and the Antardasha is a semester, then the Pratyantardasha is an individual week. This is where prediction moves from, sometime this year, to probably in the third week of March. Pratyantardasha periods range from a few days to several months, depending on the Mahadasha and Antardasha involved. In a long combination like Venus Rahu, the Pratyantardashas can last up to 2 months each. In a short combination like Sun-Moon, some Pratyantardashas last just a few days. Calculating Pratyantardasha. The math follows the same proportional logic. PD of planet CC, Antardasha duration. C's Mahadasha years, 120. For example, in Jupiter, Mahadasha Dasha Dzi months, Antardasha Dzi months Aethardasha 2 years, 8 months, 960 days. PD of Jupiter, 960 Dasha 200, 960 Dasha 28 days, 6024 months, 8 days. PD of Sun, 960 Dasha 20 Thursher Dasha 960, 6 to 960 Dasha 960 20 Thursher Dasha 960, 6 to 9 Dasha 20 Thursher to Furshers. Short enough, the system actually goes even deeper. There are Sukshma Dasha, 4th level, and Prana Dasha, 5th level. But for practical prediction, most astrologers work with 3 levels: Mahadasha, Antardasha, and Pratyantardasha. Practical event timing. Let's walk through a real prediction scenario. Suppose someone asks, when will I get married? Step 1. Identify marriage indicators, 7th Lord Venus, planets in 7th house, Navamsa connections. Step 2. Find the Mahadasha window. Which upcoming Mahadasha involves a marriage significator? Say they're about to enter Venus Mahadasha. Step 3. Narrow with Antardasha. Within Venus Mahadasha, which Antardasha involves the 7th Lord. If Jupiter rules the 7th, look for Venus. Jupiter period. Step 4. Pinpoint with Pratyantardasha, within Venus Jupiter, which PD involves another marriage trigger. Maybe the PD of Moon Karaka for emotional bonding, or the PD of the planet in the 7th house. Step 5. Cross-check with transits. Does transiting Jupiter aspect the 7th house during that PD? If yes, you have a strong window. This 5-step method is how experienced Jyotishis make specific predictions. Quick check. A person is running Mercury Mahadasha Saturn. Saturn Antardasha, Venus Pratyantardasha. Mercury rules the 1st and 4th houses, Saturn rules the 6th and 7th, Venus rules the 2nd and 9th. Which event is most likely during this specific PD? Is it A. a sudden spiritual awakening, B. a financially beneficial partnership or business deal, C. a long journey to a foreign monastery, D. an unexpected inheritance from a distant relative? Take a moment to think. The answer is B. a financially beneficial partnership or business deal. Mercury, 1st to 4th, self, property, Saturn, 6th, 7th, service, partnerships, Venus, tuck at 9th, wealth, fortune. Together, a partnership or deal that benefits finances. The 7th plus 2 second plus 9th combination strongly suggests profitable partnerships or business ventures. When events cluster. One of the most reliable prediction techniques is looking for dasha clustering, when multiple levels of dasha all point to the same life area simultaneously. If the Mahadasha Lord rules the 10th house, the Antardasha Lord sits in the 10th house, and the Pratyantardasha Lord aspects the 10th house, career events are almost inevitable during that PD window. Similarly, if all 3 Dasha Lords are connected to the 2nd, 7th, or 11th houses, the Maraka wealth axis, major financial events or health concerns are likely. Clustering is the astrologer's strongest tool for confident prediction. 1 planet activating a theme is a possibility. 2 is a probability. 3 is a near certainty. Don't overzoom. While Pratyantardasha is powerful, resist the temptation to go deeper into Sukshma or Pranadasha for everyday predictions. The accuracy of birth time becomes critical at those micro levels. Even a few minutes off can shift a Sukshma Dasha by days. For most practical work, 3 levels of Dasha combined with transits give you all the precision you need. Key takeaways. What we covered, Pratyantardasha is the 3rd level of the Dasha system, lasting days to months. Calculation follows the same proportional formula as Antardasha. 3 Dasha lords, MD, AD, PD work together like triangulation. Event timing uses a 5-step method. Identify indicators. Find MD. Narrow AD. Dashani. Find MD, Dashani. Find MD, Dashani, Dasha clustering. Multiple lords activating the same house produces the most reliable predictions. 3 levels plus transits is sufficient for most practical prediction work. Coming up next, we leave Vimshottari behind for a session and explore the elegant Yogini. Love this lesson? Visit astro.vedics.net/learn to continue the Dasha and timing events. Like, subscribe, and share.